Hey guys, welcome back to SS Multimedia. Sal here. Today we're going to be talking about arrays and multiplying two-digit numbers. Okay, so our objective is going to be use arrays to multiply, that's what we're going to be doing, two-digit numbers. So I know that kind of just restated the title, but I just want to make sure you understand. So arrays are, of course, if you want to show 4 times 5, we would draw 1, 2, 3, 4, and we would draw that. We would draw that 4 times. Right? I'm not actually going to do that, but this, of course, would be 5 times 2. So that's what an array is. And two-digit numbers is a number with 2 digits. Okay, 2 digits. Okay, so this was a quick objective, so I'm not going to go much into explaining it. Okay, so now first we have an example. Okay, we're going to be talking about 11 times 12 first. Okay, and if you remember an objective, it was, of course, using arrays. Okay, so you have to use an array here. Of course, and now I do an array already. Okay, it's 11, sorry, not 11. It's 12 written 11 times. Okay, and now what we're going to be doing, we're going to divide that. Okay. So we're going to draw a little line there, okay? And like in my previous video, when we were, instead of multiplying two-digit numbers, it was multiplying by multiples of 10, we're going to be using a breaking apart method, okay? So we have, of course, we have 10, these represent 10, and we have that written down 11 times, 12 written 11 times, and if you only count 10, it's just 10 times 11. So we have 10 times 11, and then we have 10 times 2. Okay? Sorry, not 10 times 2, 11 times 2. Okay, sorry about that. Now, I'm going to go back, okay? And we're breaking apart, so we have 11 times 10. Okay, what does that equal? So if you remember, we're going to do 11 times 1, which is 11. Then carry the 0 over to get 110. Okay? And then the second one was 11 times 2. 11 times 2 equals what? We have 2 times 11, that is 22. Okay? And, of course, since these are partial products, we have to add them together to get our total. So we have 110 times, added to 22. Okay, you know what? That looks like a really, really messy, so I'm going to write that again. Plus 22. Okay? We have 2, 3, 1. Okay, 132 is our answer. So 11 times 12 equals 132. Okay, how did we get there? Okay, this is important. We have to know how we got there. That's why we're showing our work. Okay, first, we do an array. Then, we broke the problem apart. Okay, then we solved, and we got our partial products. We added them together to get our total of 132. Okay, so we're going to do one more example. Okay, and in case you're wondering, no, today we do not have problem time. Okay, so today, the second problem we're going to be talking about is 43 times 14. Okay, so we have an array here. We have 40 written down 14 times here, right? And if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, you can see that it's written down 14 times, okay? And then we have 3 written down 14 times. So I'm going to divide that again. That was more of a squiggly line than a straight line, but that's how it is. Okay, we have 40 written down that we need 15 times, and 3 written, not 15, 14 times, 3 went down 14 times. So what is our partial products, or at least the equation to get to our partial products? It would be 40 times 14. Then we have 3 times 14. Okay, so now we're going to do the actual, we're going to do the equations. We have 40, we draw that here, times 40. Okay, 0, 16, and 5. So we have 560. Okay, is our first partial product. Go back here and write that down. 560. The second partial product, do 3 times 14. Okay, I'm sorry, we just did 3 times 14. No, never mind, we did not. Sorry, my brain is not working today. 3 times 14. 3 times 14. 3 times 4, okay, that's 12. Times 1, 3, add the 3, regroup, add the 1, we regroup. 42. Okay, so we're going to go back. 42, we're going to go back here. I'm going to write down 42. Okay, now we have to add these two together as before to get our product. Okay, so we're going to write down 560 plus 42. Okay, 0 plus 2, that's 2. 6 plus 4 is 10. We're going to regroup the 10s with. And 5 plus 0 is nothing. Add the 1. 602. So our product here is 602. And again, we're going to go back and see how we got there. So first, we do a number array. That's what this is called because, well, we do numbers. We didn't use place value blocks, right? This is just a way to do it, like, because if you have huge problems, this helps, right? It's easier to draw than drawing 4 of these 10s blocks and 3 of those 1s blocks, right? Sometimes that's how you do it. Okay, now if you have smaller problems, like we had here, this is a better way to show your work. It looks more neat and it's more organized. Okay, but this is just a quicker, simpler way. Okay, so we do our array. We wrote down the equations to get our partial products, and we found both our partial products. And then we added both of them together to get our actual product, okay, of 602. Okay, so now our video is actually done because we do not have a problem time, as I said before. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and keep an eye out for the next videos to come.